How to make Turkish tea. More than a few visitors leave Turkey with the taste of delicious Turkish tea fresh on their palates and more than likely with a box of 2 of tea to make in their own houses. What is the good recipe for authentic Turkish tea? To brew Turkish tea, you don't need to be a master, but as always, there are some very important tricks to replicating authentic Turkish tea. Of course, those tricks won't work if your tea is not of good quality. However, you can also waste quality tea without the necessary tricks. In Turkey, the whole eastern Black Sea coast is lined with tea farms and there are dozens of different brands to buy. If you haven't purchased your tea yet, our recommendation is Kekar Teriyaki Chai, which you can find in every market for approximately 50 TL per kilo, and different sized packages are available. Most of the Turkish black tea is processed using an oxidization method, so boiling hot water is necessary in order to successfully brew it. Further, using bottled water or water which doesn't contain traces of lime will make a big difference in the taste of your tea, as will the use of porcelain teapot. How to make Turkish tea. The proper method of making Turkish tea includes the following steps. We boil water in 2 different pots, using one small pot for a very strong tea brew and a larger pot or kettle for additional boiled water. Boil your water in the smaller pot. To the boiled water, add 1 teaspoon of tea into the pot for each glass, 100 ml. You will serve. Allow the mixture to brew for approximately 10 minutes. There is no need for reheating. Boil additional water in your larger pot or kettle. To serve, fill each glass only 1/3 with the brewed tea mixture. The rest of the glass should be topped with additional boiled water. However, the proportions can be adjusted to suit your taste. A good Turkish tea should be almost red in color when served. You can, or the Turks do, add sugar to your likings. We hope you will remember how to make Turkish tea and keep brewing it. Enjoy your authentic Turkish tea. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do subscribe to our channel. This video is solely for information purposes. Do not self-diagnose or self-medicate, and in all cases, consult a certified healthcare professional before using any information presented in this video. The editorial code does not guarantee any results and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.